So we're going to do a really easy cranberry vodka drink, but we're going to make it look really pretty by just adding a few garnishes. This is great if you're having your girlfriend over, if you want to impress your wife. Give her this drink. She'll really like you. All right, so you're just going to put some cranberry juice, about a half cup. Then we're going to use vodka. I like this deep Eddy vodka, but use whatever you like. We're going to do a shot and a half. Just going to give that a twirl. Now, to make it look really pretty, I've got some lime and some lemon wheels and an orange wheel. I'm just going to put that in there, and it makes it look really nice. Last thing, I have a little tiny bit of thyme. I'm just going to stick it right on top. And there you go. It is a vodka cranberry that looks really pretty. And it tastes really good too. Thanks for watching another video. Please subscribe.